Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Now we are back with the same topic, that is big friend addition. In this video, we will solve some questions with the help of big friend formula of plus 5 as well as plus 50. Means we will solve single digit as well as double digit questions both. Now coming to big friend formula of plus 5 is plus 5 is equals to minus 5 plus 10, and big friend formula of plus 50 is plus 50 is equals to minus 50 plus 100. Now coming to the first question. In first question we have to solve 8 plus 5 plus 7. First number is 8. This is 5 plus 3, 8. Now we have to add 5 to this number. Yes, addition of 5 directly is not possible, as you all can see. So here we have to apply the big friend formula of plus 5, which is minus 5 plus 10. Now we have to add 7. Again 7 is also not possible directly. So what we have to do? We have to apply the big friend formula of plus 7, which we have learned earlier in the previous video. That is minus 3 plus 10. So what is the answer? Answer is 20. Yes, 20 is our answer. Question number 2. We have to solve 9 plus 5 plus 5. First number is 9. Now we have to add 5 to this number. Yes, 5 is not possible. Again, same thing we have to do. That is minus 5 plus 10. Again we have to add 5. Now, what is the answer? Answer is 10 plus 9. That is 19. Now, question number 3. We have to solve 8 minus 2 plus 5. First number is 8. Now subtract 2 from it. Done. Now add 5. Yes, not possible directly. Again same thing, minus 5 plus 10. Answer is 11. Yes, 11 is our answer. Now question number 4. Solve 9 plus 5 minus 3. First number is 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Now again add 5 to this number. Not possible. What we have to do? Minus 5 plus 10. Done. Now subtract 3 from it. Minus 3. What is the answer? Answer is again 11. Question number 5. Question number 5 is a double digit question. First number is 56. This is 50 and this is 6. Now we have to add 51 to this number. Yes, addition of 50, as we all can see, is not possible directly on tens rod. Here we have to apply the big friend formula of plus 50. Yes, and that is minus 50 plus 100. Minus 50 plus 100. Okay. Now add 1, as the number was 51. Now, next number is we have to add 25. This is 20. Done. Now, addition of 5 is not possible directly. Again, same thing we have to do. That is minus 5 plus 10. Now, add 14. Addition of 10, yes, we can do easily. But addition of 4 again is a problem. So what is the solution? We have to apply the small friend formula of plus 4. Yes. And which is plus 5 minus 1. So what is the answer? Answer is 146. Yes, 146 is our answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 we have to solve 66 plus 52 minus 11 plus 28. First number is 66. This is 50 plus 10, 60, and this is 6. Now add 52. Not possible directly addition of 50. Again same thing. Minus 50 plus 10 plus 100. Now addition of 2, as the number was 52. Now subtract 11. Minus 10 minus 1. Done. Add 28. Addition of 20 done directly. Addition of 8, what we have to do? Yeah, same thing. Apply the big friend formula of plus 8. As we can see, addition of 8 is not possible directly on one's rod. So addition of 8, what we have to do? Minus 2 plus 10. Yes. Now what is our answer? Answer is 135. Yes, 135 is our answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7. We have to solve 50 plus 50 plus 5 plus 5. First number is 50. Now add again 50 to this number. Not possible. Same thing. Minus 50 plus 10. Yes. Second addition of 50 is also completed. Now next number is 5. Done. Now again we have to add 5. Again same thing we have to apply. The big friend formula of plus 5, which is minus 5 plus 10. So addition of second 5 is also completed. Now the answer is 110. Yes, 110 is our answer. Now question number 8. We have to solve 26 plus 25 plus 58 plus 27. First number is 26. So 20 and this is 6. Add 25 to this number. Addition of 20 is done. Addition of 5 not possible directly. What we have to do? Minus 5 plus 10. Now plus 10 is also not possible on tens rod directly. Again same thing. That is, we have to apply the small friend formula of plus 10, which is plus 50 minus 40. Okay. Now next number is 58. Addition of 50 is not possible. Now apply the big friend formula of plus 50. Minus 50 plus 100. Now add 8 as the number was 58. Now we have to add 27. Addition of 20 done. Addition of 7 not possible directly. Apply the formula. It is minus 3 plus 10. This is the formula of plus 7. Now what is the answer? Answer is 136. Yes, 136 is our answer. Question number 9. We have to solve 88 plus 7 plus 55 plus 6. First number is 88. This is 80 and this is 8. Add 7. Addition of 7 is not possible directly. Apply the formula. That is minus 3 plus 10. Now next number is 55. Addition of 50, as we can see, not possible directly. Apply the formula. Minus 50 plus 100. Addition of 50 done. We have to add 5 also. Addition of 50 is not. Addition of 5 is also not possible directly. Apply the formula. Minus 5 plus 10 on tens rod. Addition of 10 is also not possible directly. Apply the formula, which is plus 50 minus 40. Yes. Now we have to add 6 to this number. This is 5 plus 1, 6. Done. Now answer is 156. Yes, 156 is our answer. Question number 10. We have to solve 11 plus 75 plus 52 minus 38. First number is 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Now add 75. 50 plus 20, 70, and this is 5. Addition of 75 is also done. Now add 52. Addition of 50 is also not possible again. Again apply the formula. That is minus 50 plus 100. Now add 2. As the number was 52. Minus 38. Minus 30 minus 8. Now answer is 100. Yes, 100 is our answer. Now question number 11. Solve 13 plus 50 plus 32 plus 51. First number is 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Next number is 50. Addition of 50 done. Next number is 32. Addition of 30 done. Now we have to add 2. 2 is not possible directly, as we can see on one's rod. So apply the formula of small friend of plus 2, which is, what is the formula? Plus 5 minus 3. Yes, plus 5 minus 3. Now add 51. Addition of 50 not possible directly. Apply the formula, that is minus 50 plus 100. Now addition of 1. Okay. Answer is 146. Yes, 146 is our answer. Now coming to question number 12. That is our last question. So we have to solve 49 plus 6 plus 35 plus 2. First number is 49. First we have to clear the abacus scale. First number is 49. This is 40 and this is 9. Yes. Now next number is we have to add 6. Addition of 6 not possible directly on 1's rod. Apply the formula, big friend formula of plus 6, which is minus 4 plus 10 we have to do on 10's rod. Plus 10 formula, plus 10 is also not possible directly on 10's rod. We have to apply the small friend formula of plus 10, which is plus 50 minus 40. Now add 35. Addition of 30 done directly. Addition of 5 again not possible directly. Apply the formula, minus 5 plus 10. Now add 2. What is the answer? Answer is 92. Yes, answer is 92. So children, in today's class we have solved 12 questions. 4 questions of single digit and 8 questions of double digit. Now we will do the analysis of some questions. In first question we have used 2 formulas. They are plus 5 big friend formula and plus 7 big friend formula. In question number 2nd we have used question number 2nd, question number 3rd and question number 4th. In these 3 questions we have used plus 5 big friend formula. In question number 5 we have used plus 50 big friend formula and plus 4 small friend formula. Question number 6 we have used 2 formulas. They are plus 50 big friend formula and plus 8 big friend formula. In question number 7 we have used 2 formulas. They are plus 50 big friend formula plus 5 big friend formula. Now coming to question number 8. In question number 8 we have used 4 formulas. Yes, 4 formula. First formula was plus 10 small friend formula. Second was plus 5 big friend formula. Third was plus 50 big friend formula. And fourth was plus 7 big friend formula. And again in question number 9 also we have used 4 formulas. First one is plus 7 big friend formula. Second is plus 50 big friend formula. Third is plus 5 big friend formula. And fourth is plus 10 small friend formula. In question number 10 we have used 1 formula, and that is plus 50 big friend formula. Now question number 11 we have used 2 formulas. First one is plus 2 small friend formula and second is plus 50 big friend formula. Question number 12 we have used 3 formulas. First one is plus 60 big friend formula, second is plus 10 small friend formula, and third is plus 5 big friend formula. Now children, I am ending today's class over here. Now what you have to do is, you have to practice all these questions till plus 50 formula. We have done from till plus 50, we have done from plus 9 to plus 50. Okay? And you can write about the video if you have any queries about the video, or you have any queries in any of the concept in understanding, or you are facing problems in understanding any topic of plus 9, plus 90, plus 7, plus 70, plus 8, plus 80, and plus 6, plus 60, and this plus 5, plus 50 also. So you can write in the comment section which help me to solve your queries then and there. Okay, hope you all like the video. Thank you.